Morning you guys, it's Karen, and I know I'm close up, but I thought I would just come and do a quick little brow hack video. There are 2 TikTok hacks that I've seen and tried, and they're working pretty well for me, so I thought I would come and show you how I do it, and it might be useful for you too if you struggle with your brows. I have got a brow tattoo. So basically I had a brow tattoo, then I had brow microblading, and then I had brow microblading again. And so there's a little bit of the microblading tattoo left on the inner part of my eye and a little bit here. But my brows definitely need filling in, as you'll see when I've got nothing on them. So if you'd like to see these couple of hacks, then keep watching. Okay, so I have got a little Smashbox palette. This is called Cover Shop Minimal Set Eye Palette. I'm going to use that eyeshadow there. Excuse the state of my nails. I am going to put some press-ons on later this week. I'm just letting them sort of grow out to get rid of damage. So I've got my eyeshadow palette. I have got 2 cotton buds. I think you call them Q-tips in America, don't you? I have got the foundation that I've put on, which is this, the Ordinary Coverage Foundation, and a little beauty blender. And did I show you my brush? I've got the eyeshadow brush by Real Techniques 043. This is a new one I just bought. Micellar water, that's the other thing you need. So I've got my Superdrug micellar water. I'm just going to tip a little bit into the top there. So all you do is you take your eyeshadow brush and kind of saturate it with the eyeshadow. So like I said, I'm trying this colour here. I don't know whether this is the right colour for me or not. And you just plonk it on your eyebrows, basically. Like in no, you know, you're not trying to shape them, you're just filling them in. And you can see my eyebrows are, there's a little bit of brow tattoo left there, but not enough to make my brows look good. I don't know if that's the right colour, but never mind, it doesn't matter, it will still work. So you then take your Q-tip, dip it into your micellar water, and then just sort of wipe it off so you're not got too much on it. And then you're just going to shape your brows. So for me, I just go down like that, underneath, and then turn the Q-tip over, and then like that. That's much better, isn't it? So you see that one compared to that one. You can see that it is completely the wrong colour, but it is a nice shape. And you can do this with your eyebrow powder. If you've got eyebrow powder, you can do this as well. You don't have to do it with eyeshadow. It's just an easy way to do it if you don't know what to use, you know. So you slap it on and then dip it into the micellar water. And then just remove what you don't need. And shape it like that. I don't know why, but it just seems to work better than me trying to like draw them on myself, you know. Okay, so now that bit's done. It depends if you've done your foundation first or not. If you do your foundation after your brows, then you'll be fine. But for me, I'm putting a little bit of the foundation onto this mini beauty blender and just touching up above my eyebrows. Below will be fine because I will be putting eyeshadow on, and I'll come back and show you what they look like because I've got another hack to show you after this. Right, so I'll do the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and show you the other hack for keeping them in place and making them look a bit more defined. Okay, so this is what the brows look like with my makeup done. I just threw some makeup on. I'm not doing anything major today. I'm staying in with the kitchen installers. But I wanted to show you this other thing to kind of keep your brows in place, or I think you could probably laminate them with this trick as well. So this is the Real Techniques, what number of brush is this? It doesn't say on it. Oh yeah, it does, 044. So I showed you the other brush. This has got a little angled brush on one end and then just a spoolie on the other end. So you need a spoolie and some eyelash glue. So you put this, and you have to do this very quickly. You can either put it on the brush or you can put it along your brows like so. But like I said, you literally need to be really, really quick because it dries very, very quickly. And you just brush them up. It's really, really hard to do without being close to the mirror. And this will hold them exactly in place. You can feel it working like instantly. I haven't got any hairs left there, so sometimes I need to touch bits up, but let me go across this one. So feel like there's a little gap there, so I'm just going to go in with my NYX brow pencil and try and keep it on screen in chocolate. Just to fill in that tiny little gap there. Yeah, that's fine. So this is the finished look. Perhaps a little bit too red for my eyebrows, I don't know, but that's the great thing. You can just choose any eyeshadow, you know, and play around and find the right one. Or like I said, use your brow powder. And that glow, I mean, my eyebrows are not going to move at all. And you could probably get more of a laminated brow look if you had all of the hairs of your brow, if you know what I mean. I'm missing them in the middle there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will speak to you again soon.